Changed your Wi-Fi router or password? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change Wi-Fi on your Ring camera. Start by opening the Ring app on your iPhone or Android phone and sign in if you're asked. From the device's screen, tap the Ring camera that's connected to your old Wi-Fi network. Inside your camera dashboard, open Device Health to access your Wi-Fi connection settings. Under Network, tap Change Wi-Fi Network to begin connecting your Ring camera to the new wireless network. The Ring app will ask you to confirm that you want to reconnect the camera to a different Wi-Fi network. Next, you'll place your Ring camera into setup mode so it can connect to your new Wi-Fi network. Find the Setup button on your Ring camera. Its location varies by model, but it's usually underneath the device, behind the battery cover, or inside the housing. Press and release the Setup button once. Don't hold it down because that may start a factory reset on some Ring devices. After pressing the Setup button, wait for the light to begin flashing. This means the camera is ready to connect to a new Wi-Fi network. Your phone may automatically connect to the temporary Ring setup network. If your phone doesn't connect to the temporary Ring setup network, open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and join it manually before returning to the Ring app. Once your phone connects to the Ring setup network, choose your new home Wi-Fi network from the available list. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi password, making sure every uppercase, lowercase, number, and symbol are correct. Tap Continue, and wait while your Ring camera securely connects to the new wireless network. Keep your phone close to the camera and don't close the Ring app until the setup finishes. Once the setup is complete, your Ring camera will reconnect to your home network and appear online in the Ring app. If this guide helped you reconnect your Ring camera to Wi-Fi, subscribe for more step-by-step smart home tutorials.